Exercise 8.4 of Introduction to Trigonometry chapter, class 10 CBSE, question number 5, third part. This question is very important. Here tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta is there. So that we have to prove. So we will take from LHS side. And before solving that, you should know one more algebraic identities, that is AQ minus BQ, which we will use here. So AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this identity we will use. Okay. So first we will write the LHS side, that is LHS equals to tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay, and that can be tan theta can be written as, since we have to change into the sec theta and cosec theta, and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos and cosec theta is reciprocal of sine. So we will change this tan theta and cot theta in terms of sine and cos. So tan theta can be written as sine by cos, sine theta by cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta by sine theta plus this cos theta upon sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Okay, now we will take the denominator LCM. So we will get sine theta by cos theta already in the numerator part, sine theta by cos theta already in the numerator part. So divided by, now we will get that if we take the LCM, so sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta we will get, plus again numerator cos theta by sine theta, and divided by, here if we take the LCM, so cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta, that you will get. Okay, now just change the divide sign into multiplication sign. So sine theta by cos theta multiply sine theta, it will be reciprocal, so just inverse of that. So sine theta minus cos theta plus, this is the one part, and another part cos theta by sine theta and multiply, so just take the reciprocal of that, so cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, this is the second part. So this is sine square theta, this is sine square theta upon cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta we will get, and plus here we will get cos square theta upon sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. So since student, here sine theta minus cos theta is there, and here cos theta minus sine theta. So if we take minus sign common here, so what we will get, sine square theta by cos theta sine theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta sine theta, and here we will get sine theta, because minus sign we have take common. Okay, so sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, so now these two parts are same, so we will take the LCM now. So sine theta into cos theta and the bracket sine theta minus cos theta we will get, and here if we take the LCM, so here sine theta will multiply, so we will get sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. Okay, so already I have discussed this identity we will use, AQ minus BQ equals to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this identity we will use here. So sin theta minus cos theta in one bracket, and in second bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta, and in the denominator part sin theta into cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So if theta value is not 45 degree, otherwise as sin 45 and cos 45 is same, and if we subtract then it will become 0 by 0. So if they are not theta equals to 45 degree, so then we will cancel out them, okay, and in that case we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, and these two will cancel out, and we will get 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So here you can mention also 45 degree. So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so if we divide this sin theta into cos theta 1 upon, so you will get that 1 upon sin theta, 1 by sin theta into cos theta, and when it divides in this part you will get 1. So just we rearrange them. So 1 plus 1 upon this one we will write in this part in first. So 1 plus, then 1 upon sin is cosec, and 1 upon cos is sec. So sec theta, first we will write sec according to the given question. RHS side is there, na? That's why you can write cosec theta first and then sec theta. That is also correct because that is as a product, na? So this is RHS side, RHS part, and that is proved. Okay, so this is the proof.